All right, recording the sewer line here at 2322 Bigelow Avenue North. Date is May 28, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out inside of the home here in the kitchen area. We're looking at a 4-inch diameter sewer line, I believe. It's 4-inch. There's a tie-in on the upper left-hand side of the pipe there. There's a little bit of a dive. These are running through the backyards of the homes here. I believe they all connect neighboring house to neighboring house to neighboring house. 3 homes. As it goes down. We're going to spend a little more time out here next week looking at this, but for now I just wanted to show that we've got an open pipe and that the sewer is functioning through Memorial Day weekend here. There is another tie-in on the left side of the pipe there. It looks to be overgrown with roots. And a little turn there. Should be getting close back to where we need to be. And back into this plastic here as we exit the house. And up out of the clean out. There's the clean out access we're looking at. And in the video there.